It's been about 2 weeks since the hurricane, and we're living across the street from our home now. Life is chaotic, like really, really chaotic right now. This used to be a neat, organized home. There were even things that were on my first floor on the night of the hurricane. They floated down the basement staircase because the water came in and flowed straight down, rushing into the basement, like literally like rapids. This was the dining room. Right now you could see down into the basement from the dining room. I had dryers, I had 2 refrigerators, 2 freezers. This is the kitchen. It's not a kitchen anymore. Everything's totally destroyed. That's besides 4 refrigerators and ovens and dishwashers and dryers and washing machines that were right here. These are all the possessions that we had on the first floor and basement. Everything that's here is smelly, stinky, ruined, contaminated. This is what a flood does. How are we going to get out of this? You know, when are we going to see the light at the end of the tunnel from all this? You know, unless you see it with your own eyes, you can't imagine it.
Weil sein Kind in Milchama geht.
Rauf Surim, geworden nass, mit Leigenscheimes. Und ein paar Surim hat man gesaved.
She asked us if we had floods and stuff.
What'd you say?
That we had 6 feet in my basement.
To have mementos from your parents and it's not here anymore. I'm married over 40 years. What I have for my chasana, I have nothing left.
Who's living in these little apartments? The Rebbeim. The Rebbeim are in the walk-in apartments. They're the ones whose lives are decimated.
This is my bedroom. The bed's been sitting in water for the past 2 weeks. This is my apartment. And now I don't have a home.
Coming in from Muncie, we went to a few houses in Rockaway. We did some demo there. We went to Sharyashiv, where Achiezer was based out of. What we saw there was absolutely beautiful. There were 4 huge rooms filled with food, regular household toiletry needs. The saddest part I think I saw is when I saw a little kid with his mother rummaging through clothing and they just looked helpless.
Boiler, water heater, washer and dryer, car. All the cars you see here are dead. Whole homes are being emptied.
And he's crying.
It's quite a sight to see. I hope you never see it.
And the tears are flowing like water. He stands and he prays to his Father in heaven.
And now, when we're still feeling it, it's easier to do the chesed. And in a couple weeks, when things get back to normal, for some of us, we can't forget for other people, they still don't have a house to live in.
Unsere Eltern nach dem Krieg, nach der Holocaust, haben auch nicht aufgegeben. Und ungeheim noch einmal. Und das ist mir auch gewesen.
imagine, I'm married almost 15 years, our entire life is just gone.